Kev G weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? Well, this will be my last update until May 30th. So dry your eyes. I know everyone's crying right now, but it's due to travel. But I will be back, and I'll be back with you again for the end of May, early June, and we'll continue our weather journey. Speaking of weather journeys, right now we've got showers moving through the region, and these are, they're enough where definitely they're going to get most of the tri-state area. This is recording this afternoon around 1:30. So if you're watching this after that, the showers will be by us by that point. But overall, I think the overall idea with the general theme of the weather pattern is such where we are going to be in more of a springtime pattern finally. And I don't think that we're going to see those anomalous days like we saw over the weekend where it was miserable with temperatures in the 40s on Mother's Day with rain and raw weather just basically just enveloping the area. Nobody was able to escape. But I think those days are far behind us, and there's two reasons why. One being the calendar. You just can't really run days where it's 15 to 20 degrees below normal unless you get the absolute right circumstances or the wrong circumstances in our case. And two, we're basically just heading for an overall pattern that doesn't support the extreme temperature differences that we saw for Mother's Day weekend. So with that, let's go to tropical tidbits. We'll see what's going on for the next 7-8 days. And basically the overall idea is that it's, temperatures are right around normal with a very warm day on Monday. So as we go through, not a bad weekend. We have a northerly flow. We have this high pressure that's in control. Temperatures around normal where they should be. And then we have this front that's going to move through or at least get hung up, I think, very near us. And I think scattered showers can start to develop Sunday night into Monday. But this model looks like it's a little bit overdone for Monday. Monday looks like it's a very warm day with that front struggling to move through. And a lot of places, especially for the New York City Metro and points west, they have their shot at the first 80-degree day across the tri-state area. So definitely a warmer day, but we still have those scattered showers chances for Sunday night through about Monday night, but definitely not a washout, and I think you will enjoy the warm temperatures at that. And then we get a break, and then Wednesday night through Thursday looks like another frontal boundary moves through, and it sort of stalls over the area a little bit. But again, light showers, nothing too terrible. We don't have a wind off the water, it would seem, if you're to believe this model. It looks like the winds are more westerly. So as long as we keep that wind off the water from coming in off the ocean, we're going to be fine. Look at these temperatures. This is weather underground. Not bad. This is where we should be this time of year. And look at that Monday spike in temperature. With the rest of the time, temperatures right around 70. Very pleasant temperatures. Not a lot of rain to speak of. I think overall over the next 7 days, we end up averaging about a ½ inch of rain. Maybe that, in any one location. Maybe locally higher amounts if there's a heavier shower or thunderstorm around. But overall, we are definitely fighting our way out of a reluctant spring pattern that dealt us a very cruel blow last weekend. But I think those days are behind us now. It looks like we're headed into a more stable weather pattern as we head into mid and late May.